Students, in today's class, we'll see how to find mean by assume mean method. Let's start. First, we have to write class interval and frequency. We have to make some columns. Okay, I'll write the class interval first. 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, then 85 to 100. Then write the frequencies: 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. Then we have to find the xi, values of xi. And as I said, when I am explaining find the mean by direct mean method, the same method we have to follow. We have to add upper limit and lower limit, then divided by 2 will give you the value of xi. 10 plus 25 divided by 2, it is 35. 35 by 2 is 17.5. Then 25 plus 40, 65. 65 divided by 2 is 32.5. For all the values, the same thing we have to follow. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 will give you xi. 40 plus 55 is 95. 95 divided by 2 is 47.5. 55 plus 70 is 125. 125 divided by 2 is 62.5. 70 plus 85 is 155. 155 divided by 2 is 77.5. Then 85 plus 100 is 185. Divided by 2 is 92.5. Now we find xi, and in assume mean method we require to find the value of di, and di is xi minus a. This a is assumption. We have to assume any value from the values of xi. We can take any value as a from these 6 values. But if you consider the positive value as a, okay, the middle one, sorry, if you consider the middle value as a, then you will get the smaller number. If you get the smaller number, then it is easy for you to multiply or add. That's why we always consider the middle value. If there are 2 middle values, then you can consider any one of it. I am considering a as 47.5. I am assuming a as 47.5. Now we have to subtract this a from all the values. 17.5 is xi minus a is minus 47.5. that is equal to minus 30. Then again the same thing we have to follow. 32.5 minus 47.5, it will give you minus 15. Then 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. 62.5 minus 47.5 will give you 15. 77.5 minus 47.5 will give you 30. 92.5 minus 47.5 will give you 45. This is how we find the values of di. Just we have to subtract the value of xi minus whatever we assume from it. Then the last column will be fi into di for assume mean method. Now we have to multiply. 2 into minus 30 will give you minus 60. Then 3 into minus 15 will be minus 45. 7 into 0 will be 0. 6 into 15 will be 90. Then 6 into 30 will be 180. Then 6 into 45 will be 270. Okay, we multiply Fi into Di. Let's see what is the formula to find the mean by assume mean method. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus sum of Fi into Di divided by sum of Fi. This is the formula to find mean by assume mean method. In this you can see the A is 47.5, that we know. Okay, and here it is sum of Fi into Di, means we have to add all these values. See, you can see here some values are negative, some values are positive. The positive value you add it, and the negative you add and subtract from it. When you add these three values, you will get one value. Then minus 60 minus 45 is minus 105. You have to subtract from it. When you solve it, you will get sum of Fi into Di is equal to 435. First add these three values, then subtract these two values from whatever value you get from when you add it. Now sum of Fi means you have to add all the values of Fi. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 6 is 30. Now substitute these values here in the formula to get the answers. A is 47.5 plus sum of Fi into Di is how much? 435 divided by sum of Fi is 30. 47.5 then plus, when you divide 435 divided by 30, you will get 14.5. Divide it, you will get 14.5. Now add these two, you will get 62. This is the answer. A is 47.5, sum of Fi into Di is 435 divided by sum of Fi is 30, and when you divide it will be 14.5. 47.5 plus 14.5 will give you 62. This is how we find mean by assume mean method. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.